Hey, it's Skillbyte here. In this video, I'm going to show you a trick I use to keep the interior and even some stuff in the engine bay clean on my Miata, and some other uses for this. And it is Pulidiki? I don't know. Universal dust cleaning gel. I'll have a link in the description. So first thing you want to do on the interior here is use a damp, not wet, just damp microfiber cloth and wipe everything down. Now that's where I would start with. Now I didn't do that with this one because I wanted to show this how well this works. This does have peroxide in it, so don't get it on paint or cloth or leather, anything that a weak bleach would affect. Right in here, it's real dusty. And you can see it picks it up. So what you have to do is just push it in there. And everywhere it touches, it's going to pull that dust out. You can do that on the vent itself. Mine aren't really that bad. But it will pull all the dust out of there. After doing this, I'd wipe everything down again just to make sure if you did touch something that could be affected by the hydrogen peroxide. Damp microfiber cloth will get that off. Let's see. Here in the center console, this nook is quite dirty. Put that on there. Pull it up. You see it's picked up the dust. Now this is not gonna clean up something that is stuck on. You need to use the microfiber cloth right here. So down in there, this piece actually comes out, but it's really hard to get out. Here's a trick. Take this, push it down in there, onto it. It'll pull the dust out, and a lot of times it'll pull that little rubber bottom out. It's not doing it on this one. I guess it's too attached, but you can see that it pulled the dust out. Let me mention, I told you I wipe it down afterwards with a damp microfiber just to make sure that any residue is off. Don't get it on a screen. Hydrogen peroxide, no good on screen. Don't get it on the screen. Now under the hood, same rules apply. Don't get it on the paint. Don't get it on like Plastidip. And use a damp microfiber cloth first to wipe it down. But here's some places. See in here? Getting in there with a cloth is very limited. But let's put some in there. And you got to get it down in the corners. If it doesn't get in the corners, it's not going to pull it out. Look at that. That is your show-winning detailing right there. That is it. That's why this stuff is actually really good. You can use it on more than just your car. You use it on, a lot of your plastics, keyboards, that kind of thing that get dusty. Here, let me show you. Remember to put it back in, cover the lid. Now one thing, be sure that this piece is in here so that it will seal better, and make sure it's tight, because it's got to be airtight in order to last, because if it dries out, well, it's no good anymore. So be sure to store it in a cool, dry place. So I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with your purchasing decision.